Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add pictures on a video by Capcut application on your iPhone or iOS. So first thing you're gonna do is open the Capcut application and let's have a new project. So here I will use a video that provided by the Capcut, and I will go into okay, and let's choose which clip that we want to add. For me, I think okay, let me choose first. Yep, I want to choose this, and after that just click add. Nice. And now I want to change the ratio into 9:16, and after that let's adjusting the size of the clip that we have on our project. I want to only including several part of the video, and after that, since it has long durations, I want to make it short. If I cut the clip, I want to make it 5 seconds only. Okay, and how you add the picture in front of this video is by go into the overlay and add overlay, then go into the photos and choose which photos that you want to add into this video. After you finish choosing the picture, you can adjusting the size of the overlay by drag it down. If you want to crop it, just go into this bottom features here, go into the edit, go into the crop and choose the rotate or the ratio. I want to do it 1:1, and after that just click done. And now we already have the photo in front of the video. Don't forget to adjusting the length of the photos too, so that it will be appear as long as the video appeared. Okay, so let's have try. So that's how the way you add the photos into video by Capcut application. So if you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.